Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Reno 10 Pro. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, click on the same options. Firstly, I agree at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Also on Oppo, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way works better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Oppo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Oppo's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, just click on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and select Receive. So when I click, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!